This is a new Queen Cuisine. Once again, wash the chicken. I did definitely let the chicken soak in some lime juice before rinse it off, which you see now. So realize the chicken is thoroughly clean. Now I'm splitting my chicken wing. I suggest splitting in the middle, sitting them up, make it very easy. Now it's time for that seasoning, y'all. I'm using a tablespoon of adobe, a tablespoon of onion powder, a tablespoon of garlic powder, a tablespoon of bacon powder, and also half a tablespoon of paprika and a half a tablespoon of some black pepper. Don't forget the olive oil as well. Now after mixing all that, you want to place them on a nice baking sheet, nicely arranged. Cover with aluminum foil, bake on a high of 400. Cook it for about 15-20 minutes. Then of course, remove the aluminum foil and bake an additional 15. Now, if you like your wings crispy like I like mine, throw them things in the air fryer. Throw that thing in there for about 5-10 more minutes and get them nice and crispy. Put them in a mixing bowl. Now, this is when it start getting good. Take that sprinkle of ranch and just sprinkle it and mix it all good. And voila, this is a nice quick meal you have. Here I have some ranch chicken wings with some lovely noodles and some string beans. Hey, Dominic Queen Cuisine.